To get things running on your Raspberry Pi, you will need to flash the Android Things image to the Pi's SD card. First, we are going to download the latest preview image from here. We'll be using the Raspberry Pi, so we want this image, accept the terms and conditions. Then we insert our SD card into the computer. This can be 8 gigs or larger. Now we unzip the preview image archive we just downloaded and navigate to the unzipped image file. Notice that I'm using the built-in decompressor. You can use your favorite zip utility if you like. Now we are going to flash our SD card with the Android Things image. Open a terminal, then run this command. We are looking for the disk of the SD card we inserted. Looking here, it is disk 3, not disk S1 or S2, which are the partitions. Now we need to unmount the SD card by using the disk identifier to prepare for copying data to it. Do that with this command. Adding the number of the disk we just found in the list. Now we can copy the Android Things image to the SD card using this command. Now hit enter. This will take a few minutes depending on the image file size. You can check the progress by sending a SIG-info signal. Do this by pressing Ctrl+T. That's it. Once flashed, you can take the SD card out of your computer and insert it into your Raspberry Pi. We're now going to power on the Raspberry Pi for the first time. For this first boot, you should have your Raspberry Pi connected to your network via an Ethernet cable and also a screen with a HDMI cable. By the way, an Ethernet connection is only temporary, so don't worry about putting your Pi into an awkward position due to short cables or the annoying placement of your router. Once this wiring is all done, plug your Raspberry Pi into the mains via the microUSB cable. It will start to power itself up. There is no on or off switch. This can take a few minutes the first time, so be patient. Once it is complete, you should be able to see the Android Things logo on your screen and some IP information. The UI is showing us the launcher with the Android Things logo and no applications loaded. If you connected an Ethernet cable, you'll notice it gives you an IP address of the device. If you didn't, you'll need to connect the Pi to your network via the Ethernet cable now.